In today's video, I will show you how you can earn extra money with your stock investing apps, such as Webull, Robinhood, and probably all the other ones as well. Hello everybody, my name is Sanad and welcome to another episode of The Clever Millionaire. Before we get started, I would appreciate it if you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Also, check out the links in the description box below for some free crypto, some free stocks, and a great way to save some money on your insurance. Also guys, if you use the Webull link in the description, you'll be able to get up to $36,000 worth of free stocks. You'll get some stocks for just signing up, and if you make a deposit into your account, pretty much any amount, it can be $5, it can be $50, it doesn't matter. You will get additional free stocks. So what you waiting for? Get that free money. And now let's jump straight into the video. As you guys know, these investing apps have become very popular. A lot of people use Robinhood, Webull, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, and all the other apps as well. And in my opinion, they are absolutely amazing. And they allow you to invest in stocks, they allow you to trade so you can grow your portfolio. But a lot of these apps have a hidden feature that allow you to earn even more money. And in my opinion, it is one of the best features out there simply because it is absolutely free. You don't have to do anything. Everything is done behind the scenes. And every single month, you can earn some free money. But before I show you the simple step-by-step process that literally takes like 3 clicks to activate this awesome feature, let's quickly talk about it. This feature is called the Webull Stock Lending Program, which pretty much allows you to lend out your stocks. All you do is activate this feature and Webull does everything behind the scenes. So for example, let's say you bought 5 shares of Apple. Now all 5 of these shares are sitting in your Webull account, earning you 0. But once you activate the stock lending feature on your Webull app, now you'll be able to earn some extra money every single month for simply holding your Apple shares. So Webull uses Apex, that is their clearing firm. What Apex will do, it will take those shares and it will lend it out to other customers. And then those customers will pay an interest fee that you will get. So it is a great and easy way to make some extra money. Keep in mind, these shares never leave your account. You can sell them anytime that you want. You can buy more, you can do whatever you want. It will not affect your shares in any way. So in my opinion, it is a win-win situation. Also, a couple of other things that I want to mention. The amount of money that you can make really depends on the stocks you're holding and the daily interest rate. These rates change literally every single day. So some days you might be making 5%, other days you might be making 1%. It all depends on the market. Also, the money that you make will be credited to your account at the end of the month. Also, keep in mind, this only works for full shares. So for example, let's say you have half a share of Apple, you will not be able to lend it out. But if you have 1 full share of Apple, you'll be able to earn some extra money on that single share. And now let me quickly show you how you can activate this feature in your Webull account. So the first thing that you have to do is obviously open the Webull app, and then in the right corner, you will see 2 lines with little circles in them. So all you have to do is click on those 2 lines and that will bring you to this page. And then towards the middle, you will see the Stock Lending Income Program. Simply click on it and that will bring you to this page. As you can see, I am currently enrolled, and right next to it, it says Exit Program. If you are not enrolled and you want to activate this feature, you're simply going to press enroll, and then you're going to confirm, and then you'll be able to earn some extra money for simply holding your stocks in your Webull account. And that is how simple and easy it is to activate this amazing feature. Keep in mind, the more stocks you have, the more diversified you are, the more money you can potentially earn. Just think of it as an extra dividend that you'll be earning every single month. Also, I'm pretty sure that all the other major stock investing apps have this feature as well. I know Robinhood does, Fidelity, so make sure if you're using any of these other apps as well, activate this feature and start earning some extra money. Alright everybody, that concludes this quick video. Make sure you check out the Webull link in the description box below. Get your free stocks, get your free money, and start earning more. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, check out the links in the description box below. If you have any questions, comment section below, and see you in the next video. Peace out.